dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Welcome back to my channel, dolls. It's Deandra Renee, and today we are here to do a synthetic wig review for you guys. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited to tell you all about this wig. And yes, I did purchase this with my own money, so some of y'all can stop throwing shade. Like, we be promoting these pre-scent wigs like they're just the best wigs, and then when you guys order, y'all get the trash wigs. No girl, this is a wig that I purchased with my own money, even though when I do get sent here, I do give a honest opinion. But you know, just for the non-believers, this is a wig that I purchased with my own money. So let's get straight into it. So girl, I am not prejudiced against hair, you guys. I will rock synthetic hair, horse hair. Like, I am not against any type of hair. Every type of hair serves a purpose, and when you are looking for something temporary, synthetic hair can be very useful to you. So I wanted to do a bold color, but I wanted to do something quick, not something that I had to color and wait for it to dry and style and do all of this stuff to it. I wanted something really convenient, so I decided to get a blue synthetic wig. This is a wig from Amazon.com. Y'all don't know, Amazon is on the come up with these wigs. Y'all better get with it, because that's like the new way to get hair. But I did see this wig on Amazon by a company known as EE Wigs, and you guys, like, the wig is the truth. Even though it's a synthetic unit, it is the truth. Like, I was so impressed with this unit. Like, you could not impress me anymore with this unit, because it's bomb. Like, it is bomb. But of course, with all synthetic units, you will have problems. So I am here to tell you the good, the bad, and the ugly. So of course, you guys can see that this wig is a very bold blue, and it's very vibrant. I would say it's like an electric blue, in my opinion, royal blue, whatever color, but I'm gonna say this is a electric blue. It's very bright, very bold. Like, you will be noticed wherever you go, whatever you do. And it's just beautiful. It's literally beautiful. It's as blue as you see it right here. Like, what you see is what you get. Of course, this unit did not come exactly like this. I did style this unit just like I do my human hair units, creating the baby hairs to look as realistic as possible, and just applying the wig with my Ghost Bond glue or my Janet Collection glue as well. And if you want to see how I installed this unit, how I created the baby hair, then make sure you check out that video. It will be down below. Make sure you are subscribed, and make sure you are following me on Instagram. So I did create the baby hairs and everything and put this unit on. Now, I will say, initially getting the unit is kind of like a curl type of texture. It's like a yaki with a curl, and I didn't really like that, so I did flat iron this unit on a low heat of 300. It does say that the unit can go up to 320 degrees, but I use 300 just to be on the safe side. And y'all, when y'all flat iron this unit, it's way better. Like, the stock of this unit just shoots up because it's so much better. Like, this is a must flat iron wig. It literally goes from like yaki to like silky. And I did kind of record some clips. Hopefully you guys can see the difference in the flat iron versus the non-flat ironed. But yes, intend on flat ironing this hair. So when I flat iron it, of course, it looks really silky. It looks really good. Like, the texture changes. It just becomes that wig, okay? But I will say it is synthetic. So girl, this is day 2. And yes, it is tangling. Yes, yes, yes. Tangling, tangling, tangling. I want you guys to understand. Yes, you are going to experience tangling. It's going to happen. It's going to happen on the first day. It's going to happen on the second day. It's going to happen every day, I am sure. Okay? So yes, you're gonna get tangling, you're gonna get shedding, you're gonna get all of that. So if you do not want any of that, don't get this wig, girl, because don't be looking at me, because I told you what was gonna happen and you just didn't believe me. But I kept it real with you. Just know it's tangling, girl. You ain't getting your fingers through this wig at some point. But just hold on, because you gonna see the light through the tunnel, and you gonna be able to straighten this wig, to lay this wig again, okay? That flat iron is gonna be your best friend. Like, as long as you got the flat iron, as long as you got the heat, this wig gonna bring that heat, okay? Okay, girl. Even with the tangling, even with the shedding, I still am loving this wig. Like, yes, I would recommend it. I really would, because it's understood that a synthetic wig is not a human hair wig. So if you're expecting a synthetic wig to behave like a human hair wig, girl, you crazy. Okay, you in a fantasy world. It's not going to happen. But if you want something temporary that is cute, that is bomb, that you can finesse, because they ain't gotta know that you nappy in the back, girl. They don't gotta see that. They don't gotta see that your nape is nappy. They don't have to know. Okay, so that's just between you and me. But the person next to you, they ain't gotta know that you can't get your fingers through the back of your hair. They ain't gotta see that. Okay, so yes, girl, I would still tell you to get this wig. Slay this wig. We gonna be all type of colors all summer long, okay? So make sure y'all are checking out my channel. I will be rocking colored units all spring, all summer. Like, colors are my thing right now. If you guys haven't checked out my other color that I just did a light blue bob. It was so beautiful. Now that was on a human hair unit, but it was just beautiful. So if you're interested, I will link that down below and up above, hopefully. But yes, I am into colors. I'm feeling it, so that's kind of where I'm going. So I did pay like $42 for this unit, and it did take about 2 days to ship to me, which was really good. Of course, it was Amazon Prime. I'm not sure if it's different if you're not Amazon Prime. It probably is, but I'm sure the shipping isn't that bad. But it was about $42, which wasn't bad in my opinion for a bomb unit, like a bomb synthetic unit. The unit is really, really long. I'm 5'7" and a half, and it does come to like right above my butt. So it's a very, very long unit. Girl, this wig is 26 inches. It's about 340 to 400 grams. And the wig density is 150%. The cap construction is a lace front wig with 2 adjustable straps and 3 combs. And the cap size is 22.5. So yes, this is a unit that I did have to pluck. And even in plucking, it's still like really full. So the unit does come with combs. I'm not using the combs, and I did show the combs in my install video, but it does not have a comb in the back. That's the only thing that I kind of didn't like, is I really wish it had a comb in the back. But I am using the adjustable strap to kind of keep the wig down. So I didn't want to really glue the wig down in the back. That was just my personal preference, but I'm sure that you probably could. But I just wasn't feeling that, so I'm just using the adjustable strap, and it's fine. It does fit my head very, very well. I did put foundation into my parting to make it a little bit more visible, and it does kind of stop like right here. The tracks start like right here. So you do get a good amount of parting, and you can part the unit in other places too. You don't have to just wear a middle part. You can part it over here. Y'all see this tangling? Okay. So you can part it over here, but it does get much shorter. It's like the track starts right here. So whereas you get this long part in the middle, the track starts literally like right there. So if you did want to wear like a side part, I would, me personally, I would wear the middle part. I would just move it over. Of course, it's going to change the lace coverage, but that's what I would do. Now you can style this unit in different styles. You can wear it back and up like in a ponytail. I kind of like to wear mine kind of brushed out of my face. So if I do wear my hair down, I tend to wear it like behind my ear, so you can actually see the baby hairs. It just looks so much better when you do it like that. And if I wear a ponytail, I kind of wear it brushed back, and you guys can see where I wore it like that. It just looks really, really good like that. Really great unit, you guys. If you guys are interested in this unit, in this company, I will leave all of their information down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Please turn on that bell for notifications so you can see when I do upload. I have so many different videos on my channel, you guys. Check them out. Go through. Stalk me, girl, okay? Watch my videos. I have crochet videos. I have protective styles. I have lace frontal videos. I have makeup tutorials. I have everything you need on my channel, so make sure you are subscribed and tuned in. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.